guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Curious Buy Now Pay Later BNPL, now a part of Curious FlexPay systems, offering flexible credit option for tech purchases. Curi BNPL is a flexible credit option that allows you to spread the cost of your tech purchases over time. If you pay off the full balance within the promotional period, no interest is charged. Pay as much or as little as you like over the offer period. You can pay off your balance early without incurring any penalties. What are the pros? It is interest-free option. Apply online or in-store with a quick eligibility check that doesn't impact your credit score. The flexible payments. Vendors have reported challenge when trying to exchange items purchased through BNPL. No early repayment fees. And lastly, easy application. However, some have experienced concern about the high APR if the balance is not paid within the promotional period. The interest-free periods are appealing, but it's crucial to pay off the balance within the promotional period to avoid high interest charges. What are the cons? Technical issues, limited exchange support, and lastly, high APR post-promotional period. The final verdict: Curious Buy Now Pay Later offers a convenient way to spread the cost of your tech purchases. So, it's a good option. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Catch you in the next video.